Ever felt like life just isn't fair? Like you're doing everything right, yet the walls don't move? You give your best, you sacrifice, you pray, but the results don't show up. We've all been there, those moments when disappointment hits so hard, it shakes your very core. Maybe it's a job that slipped through your fingers, the exam you studied so hard for, but still failed, the business deal you prayed over, yet it collapsed, or the relationship you poured your heart into, only to be left broken and alone. It feels unfair. It feels like God is silent. And in those moments, it's easy to believe the lie, that your effort doesn't matter, that your prayers aren't working, that maybe you're not good enough. But what if I told you those very moments of rejection, those seasons of waiting, those nights of tears, were not wasted? What if setbacks aren't roadblocks but pathways? Romans 8 verse 28 says, "And we know that all things work together for good to them that love God, to them who are called according to his purpose." Notice, it doesn't say some things. It doesn't say only the good things. It says all things, even the disappointments, even the closed doors, even the heartbreak. Because in God's hands, your setback can become your setup. Your pain can become your preparation. Your delay is not your denial. Think about it. A seed has to break before it grows. Gold has to go through fire before it shines. And you, my friend, may have to face seasons of breaking before you can step into your true becoming. That closed door, it might be saving you from a path not meant for you. That rejection, it might be redirecting you to something greater. That painful season, it might be training your heart for the blessing ahead. You see, every wall you face might actually be a bridge in disguise. So don't give up. Don't let disappointment write the end of your story. Every setback carries the seed of a comeback. With God, nothing is wasted. With God, even your tears have purpose. With God, what broke you will one day build you. Share this message with someone who needs hope today. And together, let's spread light. Let's spread faith. Let's spread love. This is SpiritEcho, and we believe your setback is only the beginning of your comeback.